Let's take a look at the AGM Pad P2 Active. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. I'll start off by unboxing it. Inside the box, there's the tablet itself, some stickers, a shoulder strap, a quick start guide, and the charging block and cable. So the Pad P2 Active is pretty much a slightly upgraded version of the Pad P2. It has the same MediaTek G99 processor, an 11-inch Full HD 90Hz display, a 50 megapixel rear, and an 8 megapixel front-facing camera. The only difference pretty much hardware-wise is the increased 8000 mAh battery, which is slightly increased from the 7850 mAh one on the standard Pad P2. Now where the Pad P2 Active primarily differs and stands out is the rugged rubberized and removable cover it comes in. This case or cover not only helps increase the durability of the tablet, it also has a 360 ring on the back which allows you to use it as a stand or a handle to hold in your hand, making it convenient to use out in the field at work. There's also a stylus holder on the back. The Pad P2 Active is also rated IP68 and IP69K and has military grade 810H, which primarily comes with the rugged cover it's housed in. So of course if you decide to remove the cover, you lose most of that protection. However, it will still retain its waterproof or resistant feature. There's a flap you can open on the side to access the headphone jack and USB-C port. Taking the cover off isn't too difficult, just be a little patient with it. It has 256 GB of onboard storage or ROM, and 16 GB of RAM, which is 8 GB of onboard RAM, and 8 GB which can be used from the storage. I personally don't like to use extended RAM, since some applications will act up or run slower when this is enabled, and I just haven't had promising results with extended RAM on other devices, so I just like to leave this feature off. Once the cover is removed, you also have access to the dual SIM and microSD card slot. As for the camera, it provides good pictures and video with autofocus, but it's not anything pro level, since this tablet isn't really built around the cameras. So if you're looking for a high-end camera device, this won't be the one for you. It also does not have NFC or wireless charging. Keep that in mind if that's what you're looking for. Overall, it's a smooth operating, rugged tablet with the provided case, and it's definitely handy for people who are planning to use this out in the field or at work, since it'll give you that peace of mind of not having to worry about dropping it or have anything spill on it. I've done a teardown of the Pad P2 on my channel before. If you're interested in seeing that, you can click on the iCard link on the top right of the video or in the description. I'll also place links for the Pad P2 Active in the description for anyone who's interested in purchasing this rugged tablet, and I'll catch you on the next one.